more good news about a COVID-19 vaccine.
WGN medical reporter Dina Baer has more.
Today's update from the National Institutes of Health and vaccine maker Moderna follows Pfizer's promising news last week, and amidst a surge in COVID-19 cases and more restrictions as we approach the holidays, some light at the end of the tunnel.
We learned that the vaccine appears to be highly efficacious, almost 95% effective in controlling coronavirus disease. Really a shockingly good news. It's fantastic news, frankly.
That's how infectious disease expert Dr. Richard Novak describes the latest phase 3 results from Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine trial.
It's rare that you have a vaccine with that level of efficacy. Of course, it's wonderful. We were hoping for a minimum of 50% efficacy, and here we got something that's almost 95% effective, and that's what we would call a home run in the vaccine business.
Dr. Novak has been testing vaccines for decades. He's running the Moderna trial at University of Illinois at Chicago, one of 100 testing sites helping to enroll a total of 30,000 people around the country. The first Chicago participants rolled up their sleeves back in July, but the study slowed in October to allow for recruitment of more minority participants.
We worked very hard. My whole staff have been working night and day around the clock to get this vaccine study done, and we're really excited to see such a great result.
The interim results released by the NIH focus on safety and efficacy. Data from 95 cases of coronavirus. Only 5 of the cases were in those who received the experimental vaccine. That's compared to 90 cases that occurred in the placebo group.
None of the serious cases were in the vaccine recipients. They were all in the placebo recipients. So in other words, the breakthrough cases that occurred in vaccine recipients were mild cases.
Knowing the vaccine is going to be effective is great news, but we still need to complete the regulatory process, which involves completing the study and generating more data, even some follow-up and safety data. And then, of course, we need to get busy manufacturing.
The experimental vaccine introduces a modified spike protein to the body that triggers the immune system to produce antibodies when the body sees the actual SARS-CoV-2 virus. The antibodies bind to it and prevent the virus from invading healthy cells.
My guess is the FDA will approve it fairly quickly.
There will be a staged release. First responders, healthcare workers, and high-risk groups will be offered the vaccine first. One of the advantages of the Moderna vaccine is how it's stored, which will ultimately help make distribution easier.
It's very stable. It can be stored in a regular freezer. It doesn't need a -80 freezer, and it's stable for 6 months in a regular freezer, and it's even stable for about 30 days in a refrigerator.
But even with the promising results, Dr. Novak says there are challenges ahead.
There's still always a challenge of convincing people that it's a good idea to get the vaccine. But I think that 95% efficacy is going to go a long way towards convincing people it's a good idea.
Now it's a waiting game. The FDA requires a 2-month observation period before a manufacturer can apply for emergency use authorization. In the meantime, the vaccine is already in production and being stockpiled as part of Operation Warp Speed. Back to you.